Welcome back. This episode, after showing how we sandblasted last week, we started painting it with epoxy.
Epoxy just to protect the bare metal from rust. And thereafter, being a steel boat, we put some S-Fair on top to get rid of some of the dents. And after that, we put some MS primer to get rid of some of the sanding marks and primer, and then painted it with a top coat of 2K automotive paint.
Yeah, so I think we'll just do a little tour of the boat so you can see the couple of stages of it and see how we sprayed it. Yeah, how was that for a speedy spray, right? I wish it was that fast in real life.
Yeah. Then we get the boat in the water a lot sooner.
Yeah.
I started with a cupboard, that cupboard over there. As you can see, that cupboard there, I did it, secured that one extremely well. Because it was the first one. I glued it in, I epoxied it in, I screwed it in. that cupboard will definitely not come out.
Well, he did take it out afterwards again.
It was well put in that one.
So besig om my een balkheid reg te maak daarvoor. Ek het hom bietjie supports ingesit en bietjie put in some supports and I put in some epoxy to glue the panels together. Started fitting that one cupboard. Busy finishing it off here. It's all painted inside. Ready for the cupboards, engine, water tanks, bulkheads to go in.
And then it was the water tanks, right?
Now, then we put in the water tanks. One or two of the brackets are rusted off. We had cut it off while sandblasting, and we had to weld new brackets on the hull. See some of the video of that staying there.
Die een tank is in, vasgebouwd. Die een se brackets is opgeweld en geverf net met epoxy. Die neuse crossbar is in. Is net gou klaar die top geverf. Daai kassietjie is in. Daai panel is in. So daar agter uitgesny. Vir die exhaust daai ronde uitgesny en geverf. Vir die exhaust.
Yeah, so that's the first part. We had a lot of furniture to put back in, so they must say, how do you eat an elephant? Just piece by piece until you're finished. So that's how we undertook it. What we did with most of the panels is we prefixed them, and then if they fit, or if they needed some work, we fixed them, and we sanded them down, sprayed them, and put them back into place.
Tommy se eerste dag by die werk. Tommy's first day at work.
Ja.
So that's another video, guys. Just stick around for the next one, right?